Hi, and welcome back to another informative episode on CIB TV. For those that are tuning in for the first time, my name is Matt.
And I'm Zain.
And in today's video, we're going to be focusing on the DCD805 versus its younger brother, older brother, Zain?
Its older brother, the DCD796. Older, but not more powerful. The 805 promises to pack 30% more power, and that's what we're going to test today.
So let's jump right in. So here with me, I've got the DCD805. Straight away, you can see that this machine features a 13mm chuck that works very well with a 15 torque setting, allowing you to set different torques when drilling through different materials. These features work very well with a 2-speed gearbox that is mated to an 18-volt brushless motor. The machine also features a variable speed switch that allows you to control the speed when drilling through delicate material. One of the improvements on this machine here is the 3-mode LED light that allows you to completely switch off the light while the machine is in use, or allows you to put on the light for 20 minutes and use it as a work light. The other feature of this LED light at the bottom is the pivoting angle that allows you to pivot the beam depending on where you will be working. Do you want to know about power? Let's speak to Zain.
Thanks, Matt. Now let's talk about what this machine can do. The main difference with the 805 is that it packs up to 90 Newton meters of torque. That's 30% more than the old 796. With that much of torque, it's ideal for high torque drilling applications like this auger into timber, or high torque fastening applications like this coach screw into this hard log. It's also got hammer action, and when you shift it into second, you'll get 32,000 beats per minute. That's perfect for drilling into brick and masonry. The 805 is ideally suited for the new POWERSTACK batteries. You might have heard about POWERSTACK or seen us talk about it before, but POWERSTACK is DEWALT's latest battery technology. These batteries utilize an innovative pouch cell technology. What that means is that they can maintain a higher voltage and current under load. In short, with a POWERSTACK battery, you'll get up to 50% more power, it's 15% lighter, and it will give you twice as many charging cycles than the older XR batteries. So I wanted to really put the POWERSTACK battery to the test. So what we're going to do going forward, for the next series of videos, every time we test the machine, we're going to run it with POWERSTACK batteries as well as normal 2 or 5 amp hour batteries and see the difference. So with the drill, we decided to drive some coach screws into some timber, and we started off using a 1.7 amp hour POWERSTACK battery. From the testing, it was clear to see it's definitely a lot more powerful than a 2 amp hour, which is what you would equate it to. And it performed equally as well as a 5 amp hour battery. That's pretty amazing because the weight and size difference between a 5 and a 1.7 is huge. Clearly, these POWERSTACK batteries pack a lot of punch. The 805 is available for you to purchase in 2 options. You can either buy it as a bare unit with just the tool. That's perfect if you want to upgrade from your older version, because remember, it works perfectly with your 5 amp hour batteries and even compatible with your 54 volt batteries. You can also get it as a kit, which will include 1 POWERSTACK battery and a charger.
And don't forget, each of these machines come with a heavy-duty TSTAK case. This case allows you to stack all your cases up together, neatly securing them using these clips, locking your machines in place at all times with these heavy-duty locking clips. Want to know what machine you're taking out? You've got a label on the front where you can label each machine.
Also, go check out the storage products. Click on the link on the website. We've got the trolleys and the carts. These things are perfect for transporting your tools on the job site, but also keep your garage organized. Stay out of trouble.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next one.
Cheers.
I got this ticket out of town. It'll take me anywhere but down.